Hello to fans of the basic programming language, and hello to all you internet folk too. It kind of dawned on me as soon as I finished my previous video, all nice and well, to say, hey, all you gotta do is use this export your stuff menu item. That's kind of useless if your older version of Basic Indoor Machine doesn't have that feature. And it likely won't because I only put this feature in today. So let me show you the more involved way of getting your programs from an older version of Basic Indoor Machine to a newer version of Basic Indoor Machine. And it's going to involve, first of all, getting out of the older version of Basic Indoor Machine's interface. So let's close that button and let's enter the what's called the TiddlyWiki interface, and just so we can see a little bit more what's going on here. Let me resize my windows just a little bit. And once we're here, we're going to want to open up the TiddlyWiki sidebar. And we're going to want to click on this advanced button that's right next to this search field right here. I'm going to click on that and it brings up advanced search. And there, and this is where you're going to have to enter some TiddlyWiki stuff. You're going to want to enter a filter. And the filter that we want to add involves two square brackets, and one square bracket, sorry, tag .bas. And this gives us a list of all of the basic programs that exist in this older version of Basic Indoor Machine. And the idea is that you're going to want to take each one of these programs and haul them over. Alternatively, if all you have are these, if you got all of the basic programs that I created, this is going to be a huge list. In which case, it's a good idea for you to drag these over one by one to the newer version of Basic Indoor Machine. If you did get rid of all of the basic programs from the Basic Indoor Machine version I host on the web, you've got a short list, this is great. If you don't have a short, and boys, I'm confusing myself here. If you've got just a few basic programs, they're just the ones you've typed, that's all that's in the list, what you can do is you can open up one of them and find this little pill, drag it, and it's going to drag over all of the programs that are here. Let's cancel what we're doing. Oh, yeah. Cancel the import. So one way to do it is to just open up one of these programs, grab the pill, and all of the programs will be brought over. Or you do them one at a time. Let's show you doing it one at a time. So let's say we just want the programs 1 through 8. And we will grab them and we'll drag them over one at a time. So there's the first one, there's our second one, third one, fourth, and so on, until we've got all the ones that we want. And then once we've got all the ones we want, we can click that import button. We've reviewed the list. Yes, we want all of these. Import. And we're done. So it's not quite as smooth. The first version I showed you, it's probably a little bit clunky. But this is even more clunky. But at least it's a way for you to be able to get from an older version of Basic Indoor Machine to a newer one when you don't have this export your stuff feature available. Anyway, uh, any questions, please, again, ask them in the comments. But this is what you have to do. Keep this video open and follow along as you do it yourself. Thanks. Bye bye.